7's on your side right now with live local news from Good Morning Washington.
All right, Julie, 8:33. You may not feel like it, but spring cleaning season is here. Rather than douse our homes with toxic chemicals, I'm here to clean your house for you. No, just kidding. Lori Hill of Sister Eden Media here with some low-cost do-it-yourself cleaners without harmful ingredients. You're going to put me to work here in just a moment. Good to have you back on the show.
Yes, it's great to be back.
Yeah, happy Monday to you.
Yeah.
It's hard to believe, but it is late March. It's that time again.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you can save money. Eliminate the amount of plastic you contribute to the waste stream,
that. Okay.
And eliminate toxins in your home by making your own cleaning products.
Wow.
And I'm going to give you a great example of how you can save money. So recently I posted on Instagram, I was actually at a big box grocery store, and I actually saw two products on the shelf together. There you go.
Okay.
And so the product on the left, it's 24 ounces, costs $3.29, and it's basically $3.29 for a bunch of vinegar, a little bit of water, and a dash of mint. And you can get the product on the right. You can make 5 times the amount for 90 cents less, plus a little bit of water and a little bit of lemon.
Wow, so
Okay,
really you're saving a ton.
You really do
Yeah.
save a lot of money, and also just because you're reusing containers, you're contributing less plastic to the waste stream.
Okay.
So yeah, it just makes sense to use really simple products that we know the names of, that are easy to find. You don't have to go to my Nutty Crunchy Granola Co-op store, okay? You can go to any mainstream store, and you can also, you probably already have them in your home, okay? And then the other great thing is because you don't have a toxic smell afterwards, or the artificial colors.
Yeah. That's the thing, to your point, that's amazing, is that these are things right there, they're on the shelves right there.
Right there.
You have to go someplace special, or they're right there already in your home. No need to go out and spend a ton of money.
Exactly. And so we've got, I'm going to do 6 recipes.
Okay.
And we've got 6 ingredients. And, and so 1 or 2 of these ingredients are in each. So you've got white vinegar, you've got Castile soap, liquid Castile soap, olive oil, lemon, baking soda, and then good old water. Okay, so we're going to make our first one, which is multi-purpose solution. So I'm putting you to work, Larry. I'm glad your sleeves are rolled
sleeves roll
up.
Okay.
Okay, so what I like about these water bottles is that you can actually measure how much you're putting in if you're starting out. So this one goes to 24, so we're going to put in 24 ounces of water. So why don't you add that in?
Okay,
this is really tough.
Okay, 24
really
ounces, I don't know.
Yes.
Yeah, it's really hard.
Okay, can you do this?
All right.
Okay, and then after you're done with those 24 ounces of water, then you're going to add in 24 ounces of just straight white vinegar. Okay. And then
That should be 12 and 12 then?
12 and 12.
Oh, okay, so it's 12.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
And then this is 12.
It's easy math here. Okay. Oh, sorry.
Take that away. Okay. All right. So 12 and 12.
Yeah.
Okay. So 12 water.
12 water. It's equal parts.
Okay.
So you can do 12 parts water, or 12 ounces of water, 12 ounces of vinegar. Okay. And then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
Okay, there's that.
Okay.
And then lemon juice.
You can do that, and then there you go. And then, just spray away. And,
they kind of give it a better smell, the lemon juice?
Yes, exactly. And it's just much cleaner. And then, just use a rag or, a clean cloth.
And that's just like any cleaner you buy in the store?
Yes,
right there.
exactly.
Because, again, like you said, the vinegar, it's the same stuff.
Yes.
Okay,
It's great.
Wow,
now,
that was fast.
Yeah, and then for cleaning your toilet bowl, all you do is just flush the toilet to lower the water level. And then just add a cup of vinegar. And then just scrub away like you normally would with your scrub brush. That's all you need to do. Now, if you have tough stains, use baking soda. And this is about a 1/4 cup. Okay. Now I'm going to put you to work again. We're going to make bathtub scrub. Okay. So we're mixing things up. So you're going to use a 1/2 cup of baking soda. Just throw it in there. Okay.
So just kind of this.
Dump the whole thing in there.
This is
dump it all.
All right, there we go.
We pre-measured.
Oh, there we go. We're good. Okay, all right.
Okay, and then you're going to empty all of that in, and that is a 1/4 cup of Castile soap. And then you're going to mix it up until it forms like a frosting. Okay.
And the Castile soap is something I can find again?
Yeah,
anywhere?
Castile soap, Dr. Bronner's. You can find this at mainstream grocery stores and drug stores. I was on their site, so lots of places. Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
So just mix that up until it forms, and then what you can do then is just a little dab will do ya, and then you can just apply that to, to your bathtub. And it works well. And then I store mine in a glass jar.
Wow,
Yeah,
and that lasts
that's
quite a
easy.
while.
Yeah,
That
exactly.
didn't
Like I
take
said,
much to do
little
that.
dabble do ya.
That's
Yeah.
incredible. Okay.
Okay, so now we're moving on to doing your tile, linoleum, and hardwood floor cleaner.
Okay.
And again, you just add to your bucket of water, just add a half a cup of vinegar.
Not much,
So add a
okay.
half a cup of vinegar and then a lemon.
Okay.
Juice of one entire lemon.
Okay.
And then just use that. Now, if you're doing a hardwood floor, maybe just dampen your mop. Do not use vinegar on marble or on stone.
Okay.
But this is good for wood.
We've got about 30 seconds left, so
Okay.
real quick, what we got here?
Yep. Okay. So this is wood cleaner, and I might need to. No, I think I'm good here.
Okay.
So this is basically just half a teaspoon of olive oil and the juice of one lemon, and it works really well. You can see this. Works perfectly. I'm just using a rag. We have lots
Wow.
of dust here, and it smells really great, and you don't have the toxic smells. Okay.
I love it. I love it.
Okay,
And you get a window and glass
I'm
cleaner
going to come
too we
around
can
here.
do.
The window and glass cleaner is a half a teaspoon of Castile soap, and you've got 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and then you also have 2 cups of water.
That's amazing. And you've got all these recipes on your website, right?
SisterEden.com.
Okay, it's
Yeah.
awesome. Lori Hill, thanks so much for the great advice. And now I'll be put to work. I know when I
Yes,
get home.
yes, I think so.
That's right. Lori, thanks so much.